Real Weber shit. Penny X.
Good morning, everybody. Give me a second. Again, we have to adjust as per usual. It doesn't let me do it pre-made, so I'll have to fix it. All right. Again, with the captions, I'm such a noob. Give me a second, guys. All right. Hey, everybody, it's Luke. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is Wednesday. It's the NFT week, so we will be only trading the AM session. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I was in a TD trade. I was in a 1400 tick trade all day since like 8 a.m. Finally hit TP. It was all shared in the chat. I was showing the entry all the way to TP. I hope you guys caught some of that as well. It got me really stressed. So like, I don't know about the AM session we're gonna do, but let's have a look at the market. Basically, our TP was pretty much like the objective, the daily objective. So I don't know if we're gonna have a nice session today, but we'll see. Here is my so we're up 1K on it. On the funded, we're up 1K. I was at 1500, 1600, but then I closed on this retracement. It was very scary, and then I re-entered again, and I got the cut right here. Anything you in the house?
Yep, I'm here.
Hey, brother.
It looks like I missed any price action this morning, so wow.
I never hold through this, bro. Look, if you look at the chart, guys, we entered here at weekly open. I entered right there. And then I held. I wanted partials at, I'll show you, at one standard deviations, pretty much. I entered here, I got out some here. Then Mayhem, one of our analysts, said, that's so stupid, hold longer till like daily open, daily low. I was like, okay. Then I took partials at 8:30. Daily open, by the way, is here. Right there. It's daily low. So look how many stuff we have on the way. So I took partials here, Monday mid, 8:30. This first presentation. I closed, I re-entered. I took again at 2.5 at current year limit, at previous low, at 3 standard deviation, at 3.5 standard deviation, at this FP, at 4 standard deviation. And then here I got wrinkly a bit. So once I was out of partial, so I re-entered the trade. And I got out Monday low, beautiful. Sorry, I got out Monday low, that was my final TP. Then I re-added my position once we closed below it, right here, I think. No, we closed it here, it went pump, it closed again, I added here. And then I kept adding. I was up like 300, 400 floating, 300, 400 floating. Then I got stopped out twice, made me lose about 600. I wanted to like just go over the trailing right away. I was doing micros, but I was adding a lot. And eventually market opened here. I smacked the short right there. I wanted just the market to open whatever direction it goes. I'm gonna go smack that long that trade. It opened short. I immediately clicked short. It filled me here, and I took part. I made back my loss here, but then I got stopped out above break even, and then I was losing hope because I almost lost all the profit I made here on this retracement. Like I was floating, like I wanted 220, so it came to 231. I was up like 850, and I stopped at 650, and I was like, oh no, this happens to everybody. So that's why I'm explaining it. It felt so shit. I re-entered. I was in big drawdown, and then finally I held the short all the way down to 220. Oh, it's scary. Scary. All the executions are in the chat, by the way, on Discord. You guys can share. Did anybody take the short with me? Look, guys, this is insane. When I started this position, I was in 45 micros. I was in 4.5 minis, guys. But I was so scared because any retracement would have fucked me up. And then I quickly took partials here. I went back into 5 micros, 3 micros, and I just held, kept re-adding 2, 3 micros, take profit, take 2, 3 micros, I'm like that. But if I held that with like 4.5 minis, guys, I would have been up. Give me a minute. I would have been up 35k on the funded. Oh, thank God. I was just so worried about the trailing. If there was no trailing, I would have held with minis, but anyway, so basically what I was talking about the daily low. This is the previous three days low. This is daily low, daily low. This is important. The previous daily low and the third daily low is very important for us. We got this CB as well, this this daily FTG right there, which is pretty much just below. We got out 220, but pretty much I was sacrificing about 4 points in case it does something ridiculous. So I need just to breathe like a few minutes, guys. I need to just breathe because I'm in a lot of emotions right now. Oh. Just to chill, guys. We need to chill. We need to chill a bit. You guys have no idea. This is probably the biggest trade I've ever took. Keep in mind, I was up 1,500. I lost like a K. I made that K back. I lost a K. I made that K back. I lost a couple hundred and I made all that back. Just because of trading. Otherwise, just hold you down and trade. So, Anitin, how are you, brother? Talk a little bit. Show you shot while I just
here, let me share. I just got about 200 on Bullinox. I might just, I don't know, man. Like I feel like I missed everything. So here, how do I share?
Yeah, my heart is racing. You just take the lead for like a few minutes, guys. I need a break.
Here we go. Okay, so here's my Bullinox chart. So I took some longs off of here, super risky, just 3 micros. Let me see if I can expand it a little bit. But yeah, I longed here, took some profit up here. So what is that? About 20 points there. And then I shorted for about 10 points. So I made about 200. I don't know if I like any entries here because I don't know where it's going. I mean, yeah, we're definitely bearish right now, but I think we've met bearish targets. Let's see what do we have on the daily. Well, that doesn't help, does it? Man. Yeah, let's see what we have for the day. So, okay. Man, these executions are not super helpful. So we just touched this wick on the daily. We could probably fill it for the rest of the day, but that's a lot to go through, and we just dumped already. So yeah, I'm not sure on targets right now. So I had the bot running this morning, and I saw it do that London move here. Let me see if I can find it. I gotta share my whole screen. 1 second. I let the bot run on London, and then the next thing I know, I'm in. So I had to do like 3 micros, right? And then the next thing I know, it's like going against me. I think it was here. So I closed it. Where's the? There we go. There we go. So it tried to take this one, and then I saw it, and it was probably like around here, and then I just closed it because I was pretty sure we were gonna hit stop loss. But no, I got surprised. The bot takes TP afterwards when I closed the trade, so I was like down 250, and then it ended another one after I already closed the trade, and then it also hits max TP. So I'm like, all right, I don't even know.
Yeah, if you entered on the bot or like where the sweep strategy did and just held, oh my god. I checked the alert. I got the alert on my phone. I was at work, but then we had NWOG something like that there, and I was like, nah, it's gonna retrace a little bit. And I'm out, not on my laptop, so I didn't want to like keep checking. I couldn't keep checking, so I let it go. But after we got that displacement down, I entered money with it, which open.
Yeah, I was like negative 500 on my what do you call it? My TPT, but I was able to just take some scalps here just now, and I got it back up positive, but we'll see.
I'm stuck into micro short here, guys. Gonna
Like,
risk about 300.
what's your entry?
Just now, I just entered now.
Well, oh, you're catching the momentum.
Yeah.
Um,
Let me just share my screen real quick. So this is
Yeah.
my entry, guys. I'm just targeting this FP at the low. It's an unnecessary trade. I'm willing to risk $200 on this, maybe 300. 200 is too tight. But I'm looking if we can see if we can hit this condition below. This will probably be the only trade I take. Two micros. We'll move the stop loss down here, but I'll move it back up. Probably if it starts running back to my entry. This should be a nice 350k, $350 trade. All right, we're up $60. Oh, that's all available. Oh shit, guys, we're inside these 5 minutes. Ah, damn. In that case, I'd have to probably take profits here. Oh, damn, I did not see those. I really did not see those. Well, if he gives us 120 bucks, I'll take it. Because now this trade went from easy to very difficult. Yeah, it's gonna probably. Oh. It was not on my 5-minute chart. Oh, I haven't been on the 5-minute chart all day. I've been on the 1 minute and 15 seconds. Oh. This breaker block right here. Yeah, this guy, like I said, guys, this just ruined our trade pretty much. But let's see if we can actually. If it gives us entry, that would be nice. If it gives us TP, sorry. Because otherwise it's gonna go straight to stop loss. I did not see that coming. We got this breaker block. Hopefully it saves us. Hopefully. I did not see these 5 minutes. Do I have 15 minutes as well? Don't think so. Maybe we'll move that stop loss to burst above this breaker. Now this is too much. Yeah, I don't want to put much risk. This FPG should hold, but yeah, like I said, it's probably gonna get stopped out. We have rejection block, yeah. We got stopped out. I did not see this 5 minutes, guys. Makes me wanna trade when take a long. I'll probably take a long to this FP here. Yeah, I'm on a long now.
I'm in the long.
We'll target this FP.
Oh, I'm in a long, but guess I entered early.
Not as early as I did.
Oh, man, dude.
If we invest this would be great. Because we're on a key level right now. We're on the daily. Where is the daily, man? We're inside this daily CB. We got change of state. We got a charge and a change state of delivery right here. I'm underfunded, by the way. Here's ID, which makes me want to add one here, maybe. I still wanted that level to be taken, though. Then we look for pumps, but I still think we go back to that first presentation. And we got a BPR, so that's also not bad. I will add this trade here. I'll add this BPR, and hopefully we'll be supported by it. Once we hit that 5 minute, we'll have to look for shorts again. Well, we technically tapped into it, so we don't really need to come back up there. But since we're in a high time from key period area and we did get structure on the 1 minute, we can try to attempt it. But I think this whole thing is going to go back down. This is just too absurd. This is too, like, this pump, this is manipulation pump. How much are we risking on this trade? Yeah, it looks like it's going to go back all the way down to where we wanted it to go. Let me just highlight that on the chart. I think smacking shorts would be wiser, guys. Let's see how this BPR holds. I'm gonna risk just 200 on this trade. I will add, if we close above this, I will add one more. I move my stop loss to this low, maybe. We've got still 30 seconds on this candle now. Just waiting this to be an order block. If this flips red, I will have to probably invest my position. Keep that in mind. We have two targets, this one and this one. Which one is it going to go to first? I'm not sure. But based on where we are on the daily, longs look better. Just how much we can risk, you know. It's definitely going to take out that low. Okay, I'm adding here one, guys. I just realized my stop loss is only 2. Damn. You can see how tired I am. It may not come back there, guys. We have to de-risk a little bit. Where my stop loss? One tick below this rejection block, just in case. Because if it flips, it's gonna go down all the way down here. Hopefully, it gives it to us though. It has to take out this low though. It didn't, which is we have this volume imbalance. It may want to fill. Hopefully, it doesn't. How much are we risking right now? All right, about $200. Not bad. 1-1 right now. We need to invest this ASAP. If it starts flushing down, it's gonna go all the way down here.
Man, I cannot get any entries.
Yeah, get ready to flip, guys. It's gonna take out that low, that's the thing. And then maybe continue, but I'll flip shorts, okay? Damn. Stop loss below this should be safe, but I don't know. Once it takes out the slow, it should start flushing down. Maybe we should just not trade the funded today. I don't like this. I'm getting out, guys. I'm moving my stop loss to this low, to this current low. Because if it takes us out, it's gonna take out that low. It's unnecessary risk. All right, I like that. I like that. I'm adding 4 more, keeping my stop loss where it is. Moving my stop loss up to keep risking. I don't know how much I'm risking right now. 4 times 88, 250, which is a lot. All right, there we go, there we go. Come on, baby. We can even leave a runner, maybe. We can move stop loss to break even at this point. Come on, baby. Don't flash back on me. Come on. Few ticks. Yes, let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. Woo, we were so close from getting stopped out. We were so close to getting stopped out, bro. Nobody's in the chat, guys. Anakin, did you catch that?
I'm in a last minute long, yeah. But I'm in drawdown. I'm not looking great.
We should have held, bro. I wanted to hold more like 2 micros maybe, but I'm happy. We made back our loss plus 300 more. So we were up 1K, 150, 150, and now we're up 250, 270. So yeah, we're up 250 on the day, guys. We can underfund it as well. So we got sweep strategy long. Maybe we should attempt 1 micro
Oh, sweet.
or 2 micros maybe. I'm not sure though. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a shot. 2 micros, guys. But this is not really good. We're inside this FP. I don't know how much to risk though. I don't want to risk what I just made. Sweep strategy long, guys. That's the only thing that's the only reason we're long right now. But maybe it's too early. See if we can get Monday mid. Kind of want to get out though. Don't want to lose the $200 we just made. Well, we have to start the sweep strategy. It's inside this first presentation, so it's going to give a disgusting retracement back into this 5-minute. First presentation, then maybe pop out. So I think maybe we should get our break even. We'll see. Let's get our break even, guys. Let's get our break even. If it gives us to us. Hopefully it gives that to us. Hopefully. Yep. Break even, come on. All right, beautiful. I'm out break even. It can still run, but like I'm expecting, since we took a swing high, that's the first swing high we took since market open. It may retrace, but if you're in a long, you can potentially hold to this Monday high. You should be in profit right now. I know I'm being fast, but I'm kind of scared. I don't think it's still long. You should be in profit, bro.
I'm in long, yeah. I've long 184. I'm just watching this. It's like making me nervous.
No, you got a good entry. You got a good entry.
Thanks. I only have like $400 in drawdown left after that. So if it starts retracing on me,
Did you lose it on that short we just took?
yeah.
Sorry, brother.
No, it's all good.
We took the loss as well, but we made it back on the long.
Yeah, let's see where it wants to go. I'm targeting 260, but let's see if that's enough.
It's pretty much like yesterday, Anaton, where we were short buyers and then we flipped to like 15 minute and we saw this 15-minute first presentation and I flipped longs. That's exactly what we did today. If these were not here, we would go down. My bias for now is still shorts, by the way. But you're probably gonna get a nice retracement on this long. I mean, you're gonna get a nice long based on the sweep strategy. And you can target Monday high and 1 standard deviation and half a standard deviation as well.
Monday high or Monday low?
Low.
Low, okay.
This is gonna be your TPs, okay? Look, Monday low, and then 270, and then 294, and then 301, and then 328. No more than that.
Okay.
If you can take a partial as well at right now 240, when we get 240, take a partial at 240 because that's an order block. We should pedal the long, guys. You in 1 mini?
Just 1 mini. I can't take a partial.
Okay, you're at 1K right now. Take it off, bro.
Yeah, I am 1K. That gives me. Let's see. Where am I at? I'm at negative 580 on the day if I take it here.
It's fine, bro. Hold to Monday high, but trail your stop loss at least to 209.
209. Okay.
Guys, we should have held that long.
First presentation.
That would have been nice. Yeah. You're gonna hit Mandela. Mandela, take everything off. You should be up back to break even, I guess. Hold on, 184 to. Whoa, you should be up 1500 from this trade if you hit it.
Yep.
Yep,
It's at
you should be.
1300.
All right, you're back to break even. Close it then. I wish I held that chosh with you guys, like with the Swift shot. I took a break even because I got scared a little bit. But damn, Swift strategy never fails, guys.
It's right there, Luke.
You're gonna get it, don't worry. There you go.
Okay, I just got TP.
All right, nobody's in the chat, guys. You should be in profit.
So I'm down 200 on the day. I don't even know if I want to risk anything anymore. I think I'm done.
That was a $1,500 trade, bro. Enjoy it.
Dude, I feel so sweaty. It's sweaty.
I'm not sweaty, but like my mindset is sweaty. But like I'm cold right now.
Okay, I just got my TP on Bolinox. So okay, I'm up 540 on Bolinox, and I'm gonna lock out here because this is not my day. So practice good risk management today, guys.
Yes, sir.
All right. And then I guess I'll just chill out on TPT, wait for the next good trade. So
yeah.
If we
I'm gonna take one micro.
Oh, go ahead.
Don't take this though, guys. This is just to flip one day for this TPT. Don't take this, okay? Just one micro I'm taking right now. All right, that's it. Oh, nice. We made $2 instead of losing $2. All right, guys. So we lost 220. We made back 500 on that trade, so we're up 270. And we did take this trade. If you guys held it, you would have been up an extra 40 points. So I know anything held, but I'm done.
Yeah, I held. I'm glad I'm glad we got that Monday low.
Yeah, thank God. I'm just so glad I put my I was saying I would have closed, but I was like, fuck it, let me just put my stop loss at that low. We probably that anyway, and it never took that low. It never took that low. Can you add YM to sweep strat?
I think you can.
I mean, yeah, YM. Yeah, put on YM too. Just put the alert on YM. That's what you have to do. How did YM do? YM took 1 chosh, failed, 2 chosh failed, 3 chosh failed, 4th chosh it delivered to everything. On the 4th chosh. On ES, 1 chosh, 2 chosh of them hit TP. Beautiful. ES is like the best right now for sweep.
Oh, you're going through your screen. Here, it's locked on my screen. Here, let me switch you on restream.
All right. Yeah. ES, we took sweep strategy here, boom. Sweep strategy short here, boom. Damn. How did NQ do? NQ had STs at the lows, I guess. Yeah, SMT at the lows, but this chosh failed. Second chosh played out. Third chosh played out. Beautiful. 2,000 ticks, guys. 500 points from the sweep strategy. Oh my God. Oh.
Now it's
Thinking
like,
maybe of
oh, go ahead.
maybe we can long this. 2 micros maybe here. Let's take 2 micros here, guys. Why is our stop loss almost always more than our our TP? We have this volume imbalance. We may want to fill. Let's see if we get one more push up. Oh, that's shit! I'm
You're
on 2
on minis.
minis. Oh no! Oh no, bro!
It's okay. It's coming for you.
Oh, bro! I'm on the mini, bro.
I was like, how is he down 200 already?
I was down 300. I was like, what the fuck? Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
You're good. You're good.
Alright, this is gonna be order block. We're getting bad entry on the micros. Re-entering 2 micros. Let's make sure it's 2 micros. Okay, it's 2 micros now. Pretty much same entry, I guess. Bro, God save me, bro. God save me, bro. Oh my god.
He was
Oh
like,
my god.
I don't think you want that.
Yeah. We made $9 from that as well. Like, thank God. Thank God so much. Oh my god. Oh. You see guys how stressed I am? This first presentation should push us up a lot. We have this FEG. Let's see if we can tap it and run. Institution order flow entry drill on it. Our entry is so shit down. We'll only make $75 to losing 100. That's not nice. Might add 2 more though. I move my stop loss up. Added 2, moving my stop loss up. I might regret this though. I might really regret this. So risking 160. I don't want us to invest this FVG. I might regret this so badly. Might add 1 more, we'll see.
Come
But we're
on.
not getting the displacement up.
Oh, we just needed to tap it and go. It's already hitting this FEG.
Yeah. It may wake stop us and then go back body inside this. I just don't want to risk more than 200. Let's just risk 200 on this trade. Now, okay, this is not bad. This is bad. It's probably gonna go back down. But we have these levels. If it holds back up, we should be good. I might add 1 more, like I said, and move my stop loss here. Or I added 1 more, move my stop loss right here. Beautiful. Oh, thank God. Move my stop loss down here. We should take partials at this BPR. Hopefully it sustains. 2 micros here and we'll flip to break even soon. Hopefully it doesn't go back down. We're heavily de-risked right now, so we only, how much we're risking on this trade? 67 times 2.5, 167. Okay, we can even add 1 more to be honest with you. I might add 1 more. Never mind. I will de-risk more though. All right, TP1 hit, beautiful. We can move stop loss to break even at this point. We have potential to hit 930 open, so I might make this 1 micro and then hold stop loss at break even. Beautiful. TP2 hit, guys. We should be fully out, but I'm just holding 2 more. Because I can think, I feel like it's gonna just keep running. Beautiful. Maybe we should hold to 1 standard deviation. We'll see. Hopefully it gives us this though. How much we risk on this trade? Let's risk $50 on this trade. This first presentation, which we TP'd on, it should reject that all the way back down, to be honest with you. But I'm giving it a chance. I don't know. I'm feeling like holding today.
And trying to extend your targets.
Yeah. I'm expecting this to be an order block, but not a very strong order block because we took the low of it. Actually, once we took the high, now we shouldn't come back below this low, in my honest opinion. Same thing with this. Once we take out the high of this red candle, we should not come back below this. We have this volume imbalance it may want to fill. This VPR right now is what we highlighted, is what we're rejecting from. So we take the partial at 930, we'll just hold, guys. We might as well just hold. But 930 might crack it all the way down. All right, we took the high of this, so we can actually start trailing to profits. You guys can take partial at 930. We've got a small BPR here, which may reject all the way down, like quick. Once we flip these, though, we should be really good. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. We're up 600 on the day.
Ah, nice.
600 with you guys. We can potentially go to 1 standard deviation. I can even keep it there, but like, let me just make sure. Yep, it's correct. Oh, actually, oh shit, we hit, okay, oh shit, which one are we gonna use? I think this one right here. Like I said, this BPR may retrace us, but I want to see institutional order flow being bullish. Every low candle low should not be taken. Every low down candle high should be taken. We'll see. But 930 would have been a nice partial, in my honest opinion. I'm keeping my stop loss above this high. I'm going to put it at 1 standard deviation. Actually, I don't know. I'm not really sure. It's a risk-free trade right now. Double is in the chat, by the way, guys. We're up 1600 right now. It may tap, it may reject, or it may tap this, then reject, or it may take that high and then pump to 1 standard deviation and then reject. I don't really want to keep my stop loss at break even because, but I don't anticipate coming back to the FP again. How's the daily doing? Daily is not bad. Previous daily low. We're in a good trade, guys. We're in a good trade. It's just about stop loss, where we're going to put it. We have this volume balance we didn't fill, which is also an order block, so it may want to wick that. But I don't want this low to be taken out. This low, I don't want it to be taken out. If we're correct, it should not take that low out. It's just forming an order block right now. There we go, beautiful. 930 hit, guys. TP again, TP. If you guys got partials, TP here. Beautiful, beautiful. The high's taken out. TP3 has been hit, guys. We're going for 1 standard deviation. We're up 200.
I'm up 100 on the TPT now. So it went from like negative 1100 to 96.
Let's go, brother. Let's go.
Crazy.
I think I'll take a partial here. I'm not really sure though. I want to see one standard deviation get hit. Like I said, this low, I don't want to take it out. These low right here, this order block, like I said, it's going to be an order block. Before it became an order block, that low should not be taken out now. We can trail our stop loss, but it's, I don't know. This is a reporting key level, so it may reject, it may change the character of the market a little bit. We're up 1700 on the day, guys. Maybe we should take a partial, I'm not sure. Or maybe we should add. Let's add 2 more. Please don't put my entry. Okay, great. That's a great entry. We added 2 more. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Moving stop loss to break even. We're up almost 1800. I might take 2 off here, though. Actually, I might take. Okay, come on, baby. We're about to hit it. We're about to hit it. We're up 250. We're about to go over trading drawdown on what not. Come on, yes. 300 bucks, let's go. TP, let's fucking go, guys. Oh shit,
Nice.
Put my entry there. Look where I put my entry, fuck. All right. Look where I put my entry. I did not enter that. Oh, my fucking average. Oh no. We're up 1800, 1900. Oh, please don't reject. It's gonna reject here at one standard deviation. Hopefully, our entry though, 2 micros, how much should we risk on this trade? Let's risk, I don't know. At this point, it can reject it back to equilibrium, so. Hopefully it sustains. Maybe move my stop loss like here, maybe, I don't know. Like risk 50 bucks or like 70 bucks, we should be good. Why did we put my entry there? Our entry should have been, our entry was here. Then it put us here.
It took TP on the older contracts that you had.
Why does it do that? But that's so gay.
It is so dumb. Because like if you're getting filled at an average, you should take the average TP, not the,
Right. All right, maybe we can get a payout today, guys, if we hit previous daily low. What do you guys think? Shall we just put our stop loss like down here? Put 200 bucks. And just see how long we can hold. This is one standard deviation, so it can come back all the way to equilibrium. This is equilibrium. We close just at it, right? Or above it. Okay, this is equilibrium number 1. This is equilibrium number 2. This is equilibrium number 3. What's this? Oh no. I think stop loss below this. How much would it be? 200 bucks stop loss. We got a breaker block as well to protect us, probably. Sweep strategy did us good today.
Yeah, I did.
Oh shit, we're approaching equilibrium of this whole range. Oh, we crossed it already. Beautiful. Beautiful. So our next line of target, guys, is pretty much 1.5 standard deviations. Double is in the chat, guys. We're up 1800, but you guys are up 800. 850 right now. Come on, 150 more bucks to go to hit thingy, to go over the trailing. I'm glad we added at the last second. All right, we're holding one standard deviation very strongly. So next line of target is 1.5, which is currently limit. That's very good, guys. That's very good. We can potentially make 300 from this trade. Exactly 300. Kind of want to add. What do you guys think? may not be a great idea, but I might add, guys, on this FPG right here. All right, we're in 4 micros now. I think this is not a great idea. Don't add, guys, if you're not comfortable. I just don't see it coming back below here. 150, we'll be losing 300 on this trade. To be making about 600. Our stop loss should be below this first presentation, though. This is the first time. No, that's not order block yet. This is the order block right now. What do you guys think? 200, let's just 400 maybe? No, I don't know. Mental stop loss there right now. I'm not sure. We hit one standard deviation. We're going to come back to equilibrium. These are the equilibriums we got. So we should hopefully hold this area. This is our this is our mental stop. Close below here, we close the trade. Equilibrium, maybe we can even add. We'll see. We got a breaker block as well. We got a couple breaker blocks. It has to come back to this equilibrium area. And we just formed a BPR on the 1 minute. Hopefully we just crack through it. We just invest 1 FEG, which is not good. This equilibrium, this area should hold. We got an order block, we got immediate rebalance. I didn't even see that. How much we risking? Pretty much about 150 maybe. $180. Oh, that's a lot. That's 360, right? That's too much. This is 300. Oh my god. All right, guys. It hit one standard deviation. Now it's back to equilibriums. Hopefully it finds support here.
Okay. So now I'm back. Negative 300. What a day.
How much size are you using, bro?
I was in 5 micros, but I longed at like 317. So, like same entry there.
Yeah. Added 2 more. I'm anticipating this equilibrium to hold. We have this low, it may want to take it, but we'll see. At least we can get our break even, worst case scenario. Please find support. Please find support. We do not find support yet. We just feel this volume imbalance. It may just be it. BPR here, it may weaken and go back down. I'm not sure. Shall we just take down the buck loss? Reevaluate. How much are we risking anyway? 150 times 3. 100 times 300. Oh, we're risking a lot right now. De-risking a little bit. De-risking a little bit. De-risking a little bit. How much are we risking right now? 130. We probably fucked this up. We're risking 400. That's a lot. Oh no. It may want to take the slow out before running.
I'm gonna bail. I'm bailing on this for now. Wait on entries.
Bail on it, bro. Bail on it. Bail on it. Bail on. That was not a good idea. That was really not good. Stop loss should be below this, so we'll maybe take. If we get stopped out, we'll take 2 micros maybe and hold below the FP. We'll see. All right, I took that lower. I want it to displace now. We came back to equilibrium. We filled the FEGs. We took liquidity. Now it should start spooling. Hopefully. Hopefully I'm right. Hopefully I'm right. We'll de-risk back again below this low. Should not come back down there. All right, beautiful, beautiful, right. Beautiful, beautiful.
Right. Come on.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. We need to close above 930. Otherwise, it's going to wick 930 and go back down. Either way, we should de-risk a little bit. So how much we're risking right now? No more than 300, hopefully. 300 will be like this much. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. Come on. Flip this BPR. We should be good. Yeah, we're back in profit. Come on. This should be 300. So we should take partials there, maybe. It's touching this BPR. It may reject down, guys, here. Be careful. De-risking a little bit more. This BPR may just a wick into this BPR to go lower again. But hopefully we touch all equilibriums. We should be good now, but I don't know. Flip this BPR, please God. We're risking exactly $300 on this trade right now. Kind of want to add as well. I don't know what I have drawn right now. This scary stuff. Shall we bail out? What do you guys think? We got this first presentation. Hopefully it wicks and goes back up. Please don't stop us out. Please don't stop us out. Please. We set ourselves 300 loss and then back to break even. Now we're gonna lose it again. Please no. Just decreasing my stop loss a little bit below this order block midpoint. Oh no. We stop. We're gonna go stop down. Please flip. No. Alright guys, we have to look for shorts now. Think so. Not really sure. Back to fast presentation. I'm not sure. Longs do look good. Alright, I'm flipping shorts here. 4 micros to this FP. Hopefully we don't fail this trade either. Stop loss just above this. Oh, risking $200 on this trade. Damn. If it flips green again, we'll have to go long again. Guys, our stop loss, if we long and stop loss below here, we should be safe. I don't know. I may fumble this. Moving my stop loss down just a little bit. I want to give back all the profits. Risking 200 on this trade. We have this order book. It may just up the opening price and then it will flip green. I hope. I God forbid. Let's de-risk a little bit. Let's just $100 on this trade. We got volume imbalance. You may want to fill it. This here, go back above this area. We should be looking for longs anyway. Oh. Guys, come on. How much are we risking? Oh, we stopped out. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting the pump. I'm going to flip longs again, guys. I know I'm going back and forth, but I'd rather be in the longs than shorts because the shorts are small targets and we have order blocks and everything. How much are we down right now? We lost like 600. We should be good now, though, for the longs. Should we make 600 from this trade? What do we get? I might look to add, though. This pump may just to be filled this volume imbalance. We'll know later. We'll know soon. But we're holding equilibrium. So I added 2 more. Damn, it just pumped this before I added, so you guys probably gonna get a worse entry. How much we risk on this? All right, beautiful. We just should have had our stop loss lower, guys. That's all we had to do. We're risking 300. Oh, we're up 350 right now. We should take partials here, to be honest with you. We're at 400 almost. We should be able to make 900 from this trade. We're at 500, guys. Let's fucking go. We're at 500. We're up 8. Come on. 600 almost. We should start taking partials, guys. We should start taking partials. Come on. We're up 650. Come on. Stop loss should go to break even. I don't know. Should I take some partials or what?
I just took a partial. I took one.
100. This is 300. All right, maybe I can get the payout today, guys. We'll see.
Yeah, take your partial. Be safe.
I
Just
think it's
take
gonna
one.
run.
I think so too.
I don't know. I don't know, guys. You guys take partials. You guys take partials. I wanna hold. I hope I don't regret it. I hope I don't regret it. I hope I don't regret it. Oh my god. Am I gonna regret this? I'm taking partials. Damn, am I gonna regret? We are up 500 on that. Damn. Damn, now I regret taking a partial. Don't wanna add. I really wanna add again, but I don't wanna add because if I take partial, it's gonna put me like my entry here again,
Yeah.
which fucked us up last time. This should make us 600 though. Stop loss at break even, guys. I don't know. Shall we be greedy or what? Like, let me just take one more partial, guys, just to be safe. We secured half the position anyway. We can always re-add them. You know what, guys? I'm gonna secure close all the position, and I'm gonna re-add back on this breaker block. Damn, we fumbled this so badly, guys. We fumbled this so badly. We fumbled this so badly. We made back our loss though. Damn. I don't know, should I just re-enter? I'm gonna add 2 here and flood the breaker block.
Is it gonna retrace this BPR? I think so. Yeah. Okay. Got it. You got it.
Like, that's why I took profit and I just re-entered at the bear entry. Still shit entry, but inside this breaker block. We have an order block, breaker block, and an FEG, so hopefully one of them does something for us. Otherwise, we lose 200 again. Damn, guys, we were up 600. Oh, if we just ran to previous daily low, we could have took a payout.
They never make it easy, man.
They don't. Really interested in adding a couple more. But I think the next scam is going to flush down or flush up. I think the next scam is going to flush down to this order block, maybe. It's starting to look bearish, though. I'll add here 2 more. Not there, but like I'll put a limit order, you guys can see. Because if it hits this, it will make us 400. I'll be out of the trailing, but no profit, no payout. We're over trading right now, guys. We're up $100 right now. Up $200. I think it's gonna reverse though. Oof. Thinking maybe add 2 here and then, oh, we're just gonna get that drop. I'm not sure. Oh, back to break even. We got this BPR here. It should start running. Gonna add 1 maybe here, or let it just fill me in. I added 1. We'll see if we filled 1 more here. I'm changing my limit order. Hopefully we don't fumble this again. Hopefully it doesn't stop us out, rather. I'm anticipating this to be an order block soon. I might remove my limit order because I don't know how much I'm risking right now. $275 right now. Come on, baby. Start running. If it starts flushing, I don't know. It should accumulate and push up, in my honest opinion. Really don't want to farm builder. Oh my god. I'm not gonna add on the down, I'm gonna add on the adding additions. We got 930, we got this thing, we got a lot of stuff that should protect us essentially. But this is a big drop. This is a big ass drop. Ah, come on, NQ, do your thing, NQ, man. Damn. Damn. I wonder if we keep our stop loss below this FP, it would be good. Or is it better to get stopped out and then re-enter again? I don't know. It shouldn't come back to the FP. But what time is it? 10:51? If we wanted the FP, we could have came back to it. Oh, it came back at 10:30, so we should be good if we put our stop loss down there. But I'm oversized right now. Oh shit, my stop loss is 6 contracts. It's respecting 930. It might drop again. We're forming another BPR. Alright, this is not good. Shall we just take the loss of 200? Better than 400, guys. Better than 400. Yeah, see? We just... Have they won this FP though? I'm not sure. How's the 5 minute showing? Damn, that's a bearish 5 minute. Is it gonna stop us out or is it gonna give a pump? It's at equilibrium, and so it should start holding. Like, oh, it's so scary. It should start pumping. Right, I might add one more. We'll see. If we close with a body, I might add one more. Respecting the midpoint of this order block. Hopefully, we don't close below the midpoint of this order block. Did we close below the midpoint of this order block? Just on the line. Oh, this means this low is going to be taken out probably. I'm not sure how much, like with a percent, how much we will take this low, but since because we close exactly at the level, but it's still below it. I'm adding one more, guys. Oh my god, I'm really scared right now. Please go. Now we should start running. Hopefully, it should start running.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, NQ. Come on.
Come on, for God, for the love of God, please.
We're tired of your games, NQ.
We're up 200. Come on. Come on. Let us get a payout today, NQ. Be nice to us. We're up 250, 300. Let's fucking go. We're almost out of trading drawdown, guys. Come on. Take pushes whenever you guys want, okay? If he comes back down one more time, we're screwed. We're getting a chosh as well. Hopefully it starts pumping. Keep running. Let's de-risk a little bit. How much are we risking right now? About 350. Please don't come back down. Please don't come back down. Just keep running. Let me see the chat. Anybody longs? Anyone longs? P Jones? Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'm trying to get some
Yeah.
sentiment.
Yeah. Come on, please don't fall on us again.
Man, they just need to push it out of. Okay, come on. Like, I don't know why they're just stalling.
5 times 2 is 450. 450 I would make out of drawdown. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe we're not gonna get profit. A payout today. Maybe we're just gonna get out of drawdown. I don't know, guys. Take partials. We're not taking partials. I'm being so stubborn. We're gonna pay the price for this. Maybe we should de-risk and like just feel bad about ourselves. Oh, don't come back down. Don't come back down. Come on, just keep pushing. Keep pushing. These look like manipulation legs. Like, just you should start running. You should start running. You
Yeah.
did enough damage. Come on, you did enough damage, bro. You did enough damage, dude. You did enough damage. You did enough damage. I swear you did enough damage. This is another block and a BPR. Please, just run it. Don't stop us out. How much are we risking? Come on, don't stop us out. No, please, please. We're up 300. This sucks, guys. Trading fucking sucks. Okay. We touched the BPR and we're pumping. Okay, that's not a bad sign. But we're forming BPRs on the way up and down. That's why it's high resistance. Hopefully we don't form one. Oh, come on, NQ, come on, dude. I might want to close the trade though. I don't know. Oh. What's 70 times 3?
210.
Let's just 210. Fuck it. Come on, push the baby out. Push the baby out. Up,
This is
up,
going.
up.
Come on.
Oh, I'm getting so stressed right now. Chadley, where's Chadley? Anyone in the longs down here? Oh my god. It's gonna stop us out and then run. I can feel it, but I don't want to risk 300 again 3 times, you know? We never lost it, but we almost lost it 3 times. Oh, stop it, NQ. Tap 930 and run. Tap 930 and just run, okay? Tap 930 and just run. Risking 255. Oh my god. There's so many stuff here. Why are you dropping, bro? Oh my god. Chadley came. Chadley, help.
Yeah. Good morning.
Chadley, help.
I came here to tell you to stop trading. I haven't been watching, but the day is now over for anything clean.
It is, but we're up like 300, go back to the negative. 300 back to negative. 300 back to negative. It's just not running.
Yeah, it's rebalancing. It poked into the opening range gap, which is extra large. So right off the bat, it's doing, well, I think it took some significant sell side on the 4-hour chart. So it's permissible for it to now come back up and say, all right, now I want to go into this ORG. And that's where we are right now in the lower quadrant. So
we're in profit, Chadley, right now. What do you think? Because if we hit TP, I can take a payout today.
okay, how much? Okay, so you're looking for 78s.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
we're up
here's
300.
what you do.
Yeah.
Cut your stop loss by 1/4. A little bit more.
Okay.
A little bit more.
We're up 400,
Stop
Chadley.
right there. Okay, and I want you to take 4 off when it extends above this high.
Okay. We're almost out of trading drawline. We're up 1900 right now.
Nice.
Look, it does this and it comes back down. Almost stops us out. How many times are they gonna do it? Will it give us this high, Chadley, do you think?
If it was me, I would just close my trade while it's up here in the tops, and I would just figure something out.
All right, I took 2 off. Chadley, I took 2 off.
Nice, bro. He took
Sorry,
4.
I took 4 off. Took 4 off.
Damn, you're a master at switching and modifying those orders, bro.
Thanks, brother.
You
We're up
shouldn't have to
1919, Chadley. We're up 1919 right now.
That's right. Okay, so go to break even with your stop. Actually, I tell you what, go to right there with your stop in the middle of that BPR.
Here? This one?
Under your BPR, this top one.
Right here?
Top one, bro.
Under it? This
Right
one?
there. Not too far. Right there. Yeah. Yes. Okay, and so now you're going to target a little bit higher. Let's go to monthly open, quarterly open, or 400s. And will that give you what you need?
I just want to pay out 200, bro. I'm not going to.
Okay.
It will give me 366. So yeah, it give me $300 of payout.
Right
But
on.
1.5 standard deviation is currently limit from this swing low on the 5 minute, from this breaker swing. You see, from
Gotcha.
here to here.
Okay, what about the parent swing?
This one?
The parent breaker swing? The big one of the little one that you're using the end part of it, but yeah, that.
Yeah.
From where those green candles start to the left of your mouse.
This one, you mean?
To the left. That series of green candles.
Yeah, I have it
Go
on this one. Do I put it on that one?
No, you use both of them.
Oh, we got stopped out, Chadley.
Okay, that's fine. That's why you took the bulk of your position.
Yeah.
I'm still in the long.
Shall I re-enter again, Chadley, though?
No, this is not. Look, how much do you have?
We're up 1,800 right now.
Okay, and in order for you to take just your $200 payout, how much more do you need?
400.
400. Okay, yeah, you definitely just wait for a second.
Okay.
I mean, honestly, I'm trying to tell you to stop trading for the week, but
I feel like it runs here, Chadley.
it's gonna move and run and make you want to get in. So I mean, you do what you want to do. I don't want to interfere with your process. But what I'm saying is, any runs that you get are probably going to be short-lived. So just go to the quantum realm and start scalping the fuck out of this thing, if you still want to trade. And just look at how it's swinging.
No, Chadley, hit our TP, bro. No.
It's all right. It's all right.
No. Damn it, bro. We got stopped out. Then you hear that, bro. Look, that's so sad.
It's
By
gonna
one
be
tick,
like
by
that
the way.
today. It's gonna be like that today. Yeah, they got you by a tick. That was dirty.
Aww. Double in with the chat, though. I think anything's still in. I don't know. What should I do now?
I think that you should stop trading your funded for the day and maybe try to scalp something after NFP lands on Friday, and then take
Right.
the pay. That's probably the safest. I'm sort of biased because I did my trading early and I made money on my pro and I passed the buffer on the other pro.
Nice.
So
Nice, you
I
beast.
can take here. Let me pop over mine real quick.
Yeah, I'm still in the
Go to the
trade.
quantum realm and start scalping if you can't help yourself. Go to the 1 second at the very least. That's all I ask. Here, pop
1
a big
second.
long. Pop a big long here. Underneath
Okay.
Monday low.
5 micros.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
How many micros?
Right now. 5.
All right, I'm at 5 micros. Exactly where we're supposed to be taking TP. Where shall I take it off?
Well, let's target 400s.
What's my stop loss, though?
Your stop loss is going to go under. Let's see, where is this?
I'm scared, Chadley.
Sorry, buddy.
I'm on the 1 second, by the way.
Good, so am I. Your stop loss is going to go 52s.
All right. Almost above the trailing drawdown.
You want to see it pop
Wait,
above
previous
Monday?
data.
It would be catastrophic for it to not break this, because Monday's low. There we go. Monday's low is at 378. So we've got a big figure of 400s. Oof.
Oh no. Oh
Yeah,
no.
dude, what the?
Oh no. How much we're risking anyway? So I'll take partials at current daily mid.
Where is that? You're about to get.
Three-
You're about to.
386.
I want to see these lows stay intact.
We're up $60. Oh damn. It's trading Monday mid right now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no.
Oh my god, bro! It keeps coming down to stop us out and then running. So go ahead and put more.
Add at
on.
5.
So fucked, bro. I'm
So add
sorry.
more than
man.
5? It's okay.
This is the type of thing that wanted me to tell you to stop trading, but we're just gonna try it on the 1 second chart, okay?
Okay. What's my stop loss? I'm
God.
at 5 right now.
Where is your entry?
361 Monday mid.
6-1. Okay. You keep saying Monday mid, but Monday's low is 378 for NQ.
Oh, that's what it says on the space man. It's 361. My entry is 361.
I got you. Okay, so let's look for a stop. 340. 21.
All right, it's at 339 right now.
Okay, good. All right, so now we're just gonna have to make up for that with a big run above Monday's low.
Good strategy long.
Okay, so you got some confluence behind yours.
Yeah. Shall I add more? Oh, go back down to break
I'm gonna
even.
add more because it's being disgusting right now. In fact, here, get out of your longs.
You sure?
Are you?
I got out. I break even.
Okay. We're just gonna have to find a better place, man. I'm not gonna do that to you yesterday, like where we just hold to oblivion when it's not moving.
It's pumping now.
I know.
Oh, we got an ES sweep long, not NQ though. Still, that's his confluence though, right?
We're gonna look for a different structure. Are you loaded up and ready to go?
Yeah, 5 micros.
Okay. Now, how much are we down?
We're up 1,600 right now.
Okay, so we've lost $200 plus we have to make
Yeah.
so $650 or so.
Yeah.
5 micros is $10, so that's $65.
It's pumping.
65 points or so puts us up about 400. I just am kind of sus about this area still, so let's see what happens. Hold on 1 second. He sure is taking his sweet time, bro. All right, jam 10.
I'm in 10 right now. Whoa, almost added more. Where's my stop loss?
Okay, so what was your entry? 60s?
36. Yeah, 360, we can say.
Okay, 360. So we want the gyration of 50s to hold. So
Drop
we'll
down to 50, Chadley.
hold on. Put your stop at 348.
Okay.
Hold at
We're
346.
up almost 346. Okay. We're up almost 250, 260.
Okay, we're about to
Retail, 300.
use Monday low, which is 378. It really needs to fucking run. If it just reacts badly, then you'll want to just get out.
It ran.
How much?
We're up 400. We're up 2K right now.
Okay.
What shall I do?
Oh my god, bro, stop scamming. All right, hang on. Let's wait and see if this is an order block.
I'll put 5 partials.
You're out
Let me take
5?
No, I'm not out yet. Please don't go back down. Please, no.
Dude, hang on. Just hold for a second.
I have 5 micros TP at current year limit though.
Okay, go ahead and pull. Oh my god.
Damn.
Stop, dude. Stop it. In queue, quit being a bitch.
What should I do?
We're waiting for it to come back up and test the Monday low again because it's just being so dirty.
I'll take off 5 at Monday.
Preload 7. Preload 7 in your window. We're going to partial 7
Okay.
here in a bit.
Okay. I don't know if we hit the trading drawdown already. We're at 1900 right now. What shall I do, Chad? I'm so scared. This is 1 second. Any dump will put us in break even.
Okay, hang on. Partial 7 right now.
All right,
Partial
6-7
7.
off.
Go to break even.
1 second. Break even.
Okay, get ready to partial 2 more. We're waiting. Oh my god, this is fucking stressful the way it's pausing and dumping. The structure it's forming has got me stressed out. Okay, all right, get ready to take 2.
So I'll take it or ready?
No. In the 92s, 93s, you'll take 2, okay?
Okay.
Take 2.
Pick 2 off.
Right now. Okay, you got 1 running. Keep it at break even.
Let's fucking go, Chad.
Okay, so where are we at? What do we need? How
We're
much?
at 2K. We're out of trading drawdown now, thank God.
Okay, great. Congratulations.
You're a beast, Chadley. I love you, bro.
Dude,
Bro.
I'm trying
Oh,
to...
Let's go.
It's just been a whole entire week so far of wackiness. I mean, don't get me wrong, we're obviously carving stuff out of it, but it's just, that's why I did all my trading pre-market early this morning. I don't know, can you show my screen?
One second, we're still in one micro, Chadley.
Oh, you're still in a micro, my bad.
What shall we do with that?
All right, so how far away from your goal of $200 payout?
$200. But
We
right
need
now,
to-
right now, it's floating $45, which is we're 1982 right now. But we did cross the buffer, so we don't have trading anymore.
All right, good. So you're just going to keep it at break even, so you can't lose money on the trade, and we're just going to hold.
Okay.
Hold for some distance and purge above Monday's low, digging above Monday's low again. Oh, the way they did that when they first kissed 78s, man. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It made it look like it was about to dump the entire fucking move down. Ugh. I'm sure if you looked at it on the 15-minute, it was like wicking and sucking back into the expansion that it had just made. So it was probably pretty
Yeah.
time frame.
Yeah.
Uh,
Kind of want to add.
I'd say don't push your luck today.
Okay.
Today, this is not the day to do that.
Okay.
I want it to stay above 78 on a body close basis. They may not allow the discount structure to stay intact. We'll see. Are you up $80, $60?
I'm up $50 right now.
Okay.
Still below 2K though. 1995 right now. Profit.
Oh, do you need to? But you have to close the position for the trailing buffer to activate.
Do you?
Pretty sure this is TPT.
All right, I closed it then. Exactly at 2K.
Okay. Congratulations.
It's
two
2K,
even,
right?
Are you sure it's
It's not
2K?
2.1.
It's not 2100 because
That's what I want to ask. I think it's 200. It's 2K because they say that. Like, you just have to go above the buffer. It doesn't say plus 100. They're all...
Sure.
Now it's running, Chad. Now it's running to monthly open.
It's all right, man, because it's 4600 for the 150. That's what I thought.
Really? Let me ask.
Hey,
I'm asking
look,
right now on chat.
look, you passed your buffer. You should be done trading your stuff for today.
All right. Could have had a nice payout too if we held.
Yeah,
Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Nice trades, boys.
It's not
We
worth
did
it.
good.
It's not worth it,
It's
bro.
not worth it.
By the way, guys, just to let you know, Silent is up for his third day on his account.
Let's go.
How much
Two
is he
more
up?
days,
Let's
he's got
He
all
was minus 700, and now he's
Oh.
up 250.
that.
Nice.
Locking the $200 day.
Yeah, he
Everyone-
already locked his account.
Everyone's basically just trying to like get as much as they can and then lock out at this point.
Yeah,
Except for Luke.
that's the
Luke.
game plan.
Luke,
Yeah.
can you pop on over to mine real quick?
Of course.
Look, if you ever change this place, I'm gonna be so tilted. This is the stream background for me, man.
Change what?
Change the coffee shop or the place where you sit. This is the default stream background for me. And if you do that, please make a green screen.
Chad, you wanted to show your screen?
Yes.
Yeah, he's showing it right now, isn't
Okay.
it?
Oh,
Yeah, no, I'm sharing it, but it's showing his account, and I was like, wait.
please tell me that's a funded account.
Yeah.
Let's
Nice.
go! Payout day! Payout day!
Let's go, Chatty. Whoa.
It passed the 9,000 buffer. That they sent me the email over 2 o'clock in the morning. I was up because I'm a night owl doing coding shit, fighting with Claude AI on some code.
Yeah.
So I activated. I said, sure. Why shouldn't I? After all, why shouldn't I? And so I activated it. I got up early this morning after like 4 hours of sleep, and I ran this fucker up. So we
Let's
passed the
fucking
buffer.
go, Chadley.
We got a
That's a
payout in 1
payout,
day.
right?
And you can get a payout okay as well.
Yeah.
And then this one is up 2,000. So this one was already past buffer from yesterday.
So that's a 2,000 in the bank. Let's go, bro.
That's 3K for
3K.
today, bro. Well done.
This one still has full drawdown available, 4,500 and trailing, and I just need to get it above. I'll probably do this on NFP.
But
All
bro,
this was
3K, let's go.
Yeah, thank you, bro. It wasn't easy. All of it was done on the 1 second chart,
Yeah.
and
Get your money,
suffering.
Edman. You know
So,
that.
You're a beast with 1 second, bro. Oh my god, Chadley.
Suffering through all these and kind of having an intuition and okay, look, that looks like an OTE. Here's the OT, the OTE. Let me grab that. Like doing stuff like that, but way back here early in the morning.
Oh my god, Chadley. Wow.
Get
Oh,
your
wow.
money, Chadman. Chadman, get your money, Chadman. Chadman.
So yeah, we'll be taking some more payouts, and then hopefully we can continue the next payout streak a little bit longer than a week and a half. And I'm shooting for 25K this time instead of 13.
Let's
Bro,
go.
Just fucking go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And
So-
what you know what's after 25K? A 50K.
Eventually, yeah, we'll grab.
And once you get to 50K, you run a personal account. No more bullshit.
Well, I'm gonna develop that strategy based on the balance blocks and just
Oh yeah.
run that.
Based on the BBs.
So yeah, that's what I got going on there. And then Top Step X, I don't know, $2,700 away from passing into an XFA for 150K.
Let's go. Make your money, Chadman. Chadman, make your money.
So yeah, look, man, it's going to get really nasty, and any runs that you see, you probably can't trust, and they aren't worth the mental capital. You passed your buffer today, and I know you want to do a payout today, but it would be better to snipe something on NFP and just
Yeah,
fuck.
bro. I would
Nail
be happy if you can keep your money for today.
You know what NFP protocol is for an advanced student? It's not, only trade the first 3 days and don't trade NFP. For an advanced student, it is get on like the 15-minute chart, let them wreck 15-minute liquidity. Sometimes they do both sides, sometimes they do one side. Just look where they disturb somebody, disturb something drastically, and then just wait, go the lower time frame down to the 15-second to the 1 minute, and just wait for structure to start printing in the opposite direction of what just happened. Catch a fucking small trade and just put a leader in there. That's how you do it. You put a leader in there and it's like, oh, no, not yet. And it goes like 80 fucking points down on a retracement. And just because you only have a leader, now you can go, all right, well, I still think it's going up. So the rules say I long this. And then you put 5 micros. So now you got 6 micros on, and the 5 offset your shitty 1 entry. And then it starts pumping to fucking Valhalla, and it goes for the other side of NFP liquidity, or it does the 3/4 retracement shit that you've seen that before, right?
Yeah.
And then boom, all of a sudden now you've caught like 300, 400, 500 point run with 6 micros or a mini or something, and you're eating on a payout for the end of the week.
Bro, even 3 micros on 100
Just
points,
fucking go.
they make you eat, you know?
He's probably in a trade right now.
No, I'm not. We hit.
Okay. It's
Awesome.
trending like it wants to make you do that. The gaming milkman says he's been in a long for about 45 minutes. Bro, are you still in that long?
Think so.
That's so fucking based. I'm sorry we spazzed out and got you out early, but it was better to just dip out with the weight. Look at all the retracement shits.
Look at the wicks. Yeah, they're disgusting.
Yeah.
I mean, you could call that institutional order flow to the upside, but it's also got that really strong fuck your sell side trend phantom trend line liquidity energy going.
Yeah.
Eventually, the party's over, and they do a V reversal at the top, and they come back to the discount of that entire print up. And I didn't want you to get caught with your pants down, but they gave us the target I was looking for, so it is what it is.
Yeah. I'm there, but that's 2K on the day. On the phone. Well,
Fuck it, Luke. Long 10 micros.
really?
Let's go.
I'm in 10 micros, Chadley.
For the culture.
I hope you're not kidding.
How much do you need?
He wants 200. Get ready, get ready. Get ready, get ready.
Almost 200.
It's gonna suck back in a little bit, but it should push it after that.
200,
There you
200,
go.
200, 200. TP. Oh my god, Chadley, I love you, bro. I fucking love you, bro. I fucking love you. I fucking
Show
love
me
you,
the
bro.
money. Show me the money.
The reason I
Fucking
changed
love
my
you, bro.
mind is because I thought, well, we're printing an order block right underneath that quarterly open. It should poke it and go to your Monday mid-level and at least get above 420s. And so,
Yeah.
That's a funded account, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah.
That's a 2K payout, yeah? Or
No.
what?
That's $245, but I can withdraw the buffer as well.
Let's go.
Godly, bro. Oh my god.
Okay. Sorry I didn't let you hold that longer, but we're not fucking with it.
It's okay. It's okay. That's
I
all I
got you
want.
your $200. Fuck that waiting around.
I know.
Shit.
Adley, you know when you said he's probably trading, I wasn't trading. I just had my chart with my limit orders, not my limit, my contract size ready because I knew you're gonna say something right now. I swear to God, bro. I swear.
Long for margin. Let's go, Baba.
All right. My work is done here.
Bro.
Nice
God
job, bro.
bless you and your family and everybody you love, bro.
Chadman,
hey.
Chadman blessing us with money after he's gonna get his 3K payout.
Yeah,
Yeah.
payout. Can we please go to practice, man? Can you just log out?
Yeah, definitely. Let me just check if I have any orders.
Okay. Good.
Oh. Oh my god.
Bro,
Alright.
he's still shaking. What the fuck?
It's that adrenaline spike, man.
Yeah.
Yo, he
Oh,
was adrenaline in.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Bro. You know, there was this one time when I was missing $5 from passing an account, yeah?
No, boy, here we go. Yes, please tell me this.
And then I went into a trade, and instead of getting filled in that $5, I missed my TP by a couple of ticks or some shit, and I went into $300 of drawdown. It took me the whole day to recover it.
Yeah, it happens to me every time.
Bro, it's crazy.
W's in the chat for Chadley, guys. W's in the chat.
W's in the chat for the Chadman.
For Luke, bro, you gotta give yourself dubs, buddy, for taking the trade.
Nah, he
I'll
trusts
trust him,
you.
bro.
He trusts you
I
way
trust
too
him.
much, bro.
Bro. Like, look, I've been trading 2-3 micros all day, but when Charlie says 10 micros, I'm going 10 micros.
Yo, if Chadley says for Margin Baba, you go for Margin Baba?
If it's got edge, it has edge. You know?
Bro.
Yo, when we say Google, it's Googling. And when we say Bing, it's Binging. Then what's Edge?
It's edging.
Oh,
shit.
naughty, naughty.
Chadley is like, these memes on Instagram where they say, like, where the girlfriend or the wife says, "Hey, babe, send me like 1K," and then the guy sends her like a trade with TP and stop loss. This is like
Yeah.
Chadley. You want
Yeah.
$100? Take along 10 micros, target for
Here's the
Target 10
brokers.
points.
Here's the brokers I'd recommend. Make sure to get the 150K.
Babe, I want a Gucci. Okay, you go short now. 5 micros, targeting the downfall liquidity at 19,276.
Oh, I love the meme culture and the crypto culture so much. All right.
I'm actually short on paper, by the way. I see this trend line of fuck your longs liquidity.
Gotta ping everybody.
Let's go. You made the 1800, and we kind of got you into a sweaty ball situation, and then recovered. Plus,
Wait, how much? Wait, so you're gonna take? You already went above the threshold?
Yeah.
Okay.
yep. The intraday trailing is not so scary when you realize. I didn't realize that it was only if you close your trade. So if you're in like a high conviction trade and it puts you $800 down after being $1,000 up, and you're like,
Yeah.
fuck, I'm not closing this motherfucker, dude. I can see it coming. And so it goes like 6 more points against you. You're almost like, oh my God. And then, oh, you get that huge 20-point runner in your favor. And then it goes all the way back up. And then you close it at your equity high. It doesn't count
Yeah.
against you in your intraday trailing. It's only if you freak out and close. So that makes me feel a lot better because I've got a bit of skill with holding in sketchy situations because I'm used to the low time frames and how they move. I mean, sometimes it's just insurmountable, as you saw the past couple days. But yeah, when it's going, and then sometimes you just have this intuition. It's like it's going to form a third or a fourth. Okay, it formed a third leg. Now we're responding favorably. Oh my God, here it's coming again down. Why do they need it again? Fuck it. Like, let me just let it sweep that. And then it sweeps it, and then you get the move you're looking for. And it was like 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 1 second. It just keeps coming down, 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 down. You're like, oh my God, stop! And then if you hold through it, it'll give you your recovery.
What you doing, Step Nasdaq?
If you hold through it, then
That's right.
You're like, what are you doing, Step Nasdaq?
Chad, do you wanna do some paper trading?
Um,
Or you done?
I'm sort of done, but why not take a long off this sweep and bounce off these levels?
Yo, meeting time for P. John. Time to go long.
I'm 10 mic. Oh shit.
Yeah, we missed your ideal entry, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Hit it with
We just
some
put on
more.
that chat.
More!
Guys, we are paper trading right now.
Just paper, guys. Don't ever take a trade after 10:30 on Wednesday on NFP week, okay?
Yeah.
Unless you want to lose your money, then by all means, go ahead.
We're just trading pure price movements without a edge narrative backing it.
No, I have an edge. I'm going to the data high.
Oh my God.
I knew that's gonna tilt him.
People who say data highs and lows, I swear to God, 100% sniff their own farts.
Bro, how the fuck do you know that? Are you
They take
spying on
selfies.
us? Ew.
They take selfies and sniff their own farts. And they eat it. They could eat with their hands, they eat it with a knife and a fork. Bougie.
Bro, I eat with my hands.
Good.
We do a bit scrolling here. But I'm targeting data highs, Chadley. Liquidity. Ooh,
The data is meaningless.
Bro, if I had my funded accounts today, I would have been up so much cash. But I'm broke and I cannot activate my bullnox. Shit. It is what it is.
Chad, you know I shorted the weekly open all the way to 220 from 520 to 220.
This morning.
Yeah, with
Good
2
job.
micros
Good job.
on the funded.
2 micros. Imagine if
Yeah.
that was 5 minis.
I was in 45 micros, but then as soon as it gave me 400, I scaled out I scaled out 43 in like 1 minute.
Oh my god, dude.
Bro was playing with fire and he enjoyed every moment of
I
it.
love unreasonable size on it's so
Bro, there was a friend of mine who activated his account on TopStep, yeah? And he lives in the US, by the way. And on his first day, he got 4K on the account, and RoboMix sent him a message. Now it's like,
now it's like RoboMic at
yeah.
5K. We
Yeah.
need 5K.
imagine getting RoboMix on your first day.
No, I've done that a couple times and then fucked it up afterwards.
Bro, I believe that they have some voodoo shit in that email. Once you receive it, you lose everything.
No,
Right.
cancel, delete. Don't put the evil in.
Yeah. Whenever I saw that email, I lose my account.
Bro gets the RoboMic email and like hangs dream catchers all over his room.
No, I stopped reading Quran. Yeah.
Hey, keep those cells where they are, sir.
I'm like, "A'udhu billah minash shaitanir rajim."
Move your go up to the wick, please. Go up to the wick, the rejection block. Nope. Right there. Yeah, and then the other one can scooch all the way up to the top where the 2.5 is. Yes. Halfway in between that wick and the 2.5. Perfect. A little bit lower than halfway. Got it. Beautiful.
What about this? 2 standivation and 8i.
It'll just act as accelerant or a speed bump, and we'll have to wait and see if it gets there.
Okie. Chad, man, you made my day today, bro. Thank you so. I swear, 1 minute before you join, look, you can ask anything for confirmation. I was like, "Where's Chadley? Please, someone get Chadley on here." And then 10 seconds later, it says Chadley has joined. I'm like, "Oh my god!" My prayers got request got accepted.
Look,
Bro.
I'm just
I swear, you can.
with a bunch of bad risk management habits that I'm trying to break, and I've got some decent analysis skills, right? So hopefully we can help. So.
Hopefully also that trading strat you're working on works out. Because if it does, I'm gonna copy it to Quant Tower and run it on 20 fucking accounts.
I don't want to sell it. I don't want to make money with it other than just trade.
Keep it. Yeah.
But having a couple of user logins for people who want to use it and be guinea pigs, that's something I think I can do, yeah.
That'd be nice, yeah. Have you ever considered making...
Wally?
Huh?
You think it'll run on there? It's C#, isn't it?
Yeah. You can run C# on Quant Tower. I just need to modify a couple of things.
Okay. What were you saying, Luke?
1 minute.
Oh my
I
god.
was saying, have you ever considered like doing 5 points but with your entries? I mean, every entry you take immediately pumps like a couple of points in profit. Like if you just take partial, like 5 points, you'd have like 100% win rate.
I considered it, yeah.
Yeah, he named the strategy 5 points, bro.
But it wasn't for 5 points. It was because there was 5 points of PD array confluence setting up in a
5
particular
references.
5 confluence references.
But
And-
the BBs are better.
Balance blocks are amazing. I love them. I love them.
Wow, they're amazing.
If I can get this tuned properly and the detection logic and the stop loss logic, because right now what I'm fighting with is it's not consistently putting the stop and the take profit at the actual orders at where the lines are drawn for my strategy. So it's variable and it's causing me to not have proper statistics that I can trust. And at one point it was inverting the logic for some reason. I don't know what happened. There's a bug there.
Oh, it was probably the 20th of April, yeah?
What?
It was 420, that's why.
It inverted the logic somehow, and so I had to fix that. But with it fixed, it should have probably like a 55 to 60% average win rate. And I did the math over 10 years, like we talked about before, with that backtesting engine. So you got to put your stop loss back where it was, sir. Thank you. So we did all the.
Get wrecked, noob.
No, you got some rules you have to follow no matter what degeneracy you're participating in. So yeah, I did that, and it basically said, here's your parameters, so on and so forth. But being able to see that over that long period of time, it was still useful and it was producing, and it didn't have crazy drawdown. It was hovering around 51 to 53%. That was awesome. So, I mean, like with a win rate, or excuse me, a risk to reward of 1.75 R, the math always comes out in your favor, no matter what. I saw that.
Bro doesn't miss.
If your stop is,
Sadly, he's moving the stop loss again.
you gotta
Moving up.
accept that you're wrong. Take an exercise and accept that you're wrong. And here's the other thing too, by the way. If it was going to take you where you originally had the stop, it would definitely come take you where you moved your stop to. So it's
Right, yeah.
exercise of futility. But for now, I mean, there's no body closes. All the wicks are respecting. So that's either really good or really bad. If it wants to close a body to the downside, that's bad, because it will do it in one shot.
Yeah. Buddy, there's something called manipulation block.
I've never heard him say that or talk about it. So if there is, I don't know.
Like, when you get like a high, low, like a breaker, and like with a fat FPG, basically you jade block, but then it just gets pulled back up right away the next candle, and then just keeps making highs.
Call that an inverted jade block, I suppose, like he does with his other arrays. And to be clear for anybody that's here, it's just a breaker. It's a type of variant of a breaker he talked about in February 2023. About 40 minutes into one of his market reviews, and he just says IPTA or the algorithm will see this just like it looks at breakers. So it's a breaker. But I don't want to mark out a breaker and a break. You see how it took that one area and then the other? You were fucking either way. So I didn't want to mark them out repetitively because they nest together. So I just started calling it a jade block, and I tagged him on X, and he just hearted the post but never replied. So I said, all right, I guess it's called the J block from now on. So fuck it. Yeah, it's ugly, man. You're better off just ending the stream and walking away, or full-blown degenerate just to get some practice. To be wrong.
Yeah, I think we did good today.
Yes, sir.
We can join silent on his Discord.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks, Chadi. Thanks, Anitin. Thanks, Walid, for participating.
Also, don't forget, guys, today is your last day to grab any funded, any eval on GPT, on Volnox, and also on ETF. 90% on the last two, and 30% on TTF. And remember that you can get a 3% cash back on every purchase using Shisha code. All right, that's all, guys. Later.
Thanks for that. Yeah, brothers.
Penny X.